In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do I merge PDFs in DocHub. To get started, head over to your DocHub dashboard. This is the main workspace where your documents are stored and organized, and it's where the merging process begins. Once you're on the dashboard, find the PDF you want to use as your main document. Think of this as the base file, the one that the pages from the other PDF will be added into. Go ahead and click that document to open it. After the file opens, look for the page controls. This area gives you access to tools for managing the pages inside your PDF, including the option to bring in pages from another file. Open the page controls so those options are visible and ready to use. Next, click the Add Page icon at the bottom. This is the tool you'll use to insert content from another PDF into the one you already have open. When the menu appears, choose Merge and Append File. That option is designed specifically for combining one PDF with another, so it's the right choice when you want everything together in a single document. From there, click the Select File dropdown. DocHub gives you a few different import locations, like your device or connected cloud storage. For this walkthrough, choose the option to pull a file directly from documents already saved in your DocHub account by selecting from your DocHub. When the file window opens, locate the PDF you want to merge into your current document. Click the file to select it, then click Import. This tells DocHub which document you want to bring in. To finish, click Insert. DocHub will then complete the merge and add the selected PDF into your open document. After a moment, you should see the new pages appear. Once the merge is complete, take a quick moment to review the combined file and make sure the pages were inserted where you expected.